100 English Words Challenge Episode 3. Welcome back to Amuse Academia. Are you still using basic words like damage, decide and destroy? Well, it's time to level up. In today's episode of the 100 English Words Challenge, we are back with 10 more powerful verbs and their advanced synonyms to help you speak and write English like a pro. Let's make your vocabulary stronger, one word at a time. Ready? Let's dive in. Word number 1, damage, means to harm or weaken something. Alternatives are impair and devastate. Basic sentence, the rain damaged the road. Advanced, the heavy rain impaired the road's surface. More advanced, the flood devastated the entire highway. Word number 2, decide, means to make a choice. Alternative, determine and settle. Basic, she decided to study abroad. Advanced, she determined her future by choosing to study abroad. More advanced, she settled on moving to the UK for her education. Number 3, decrease, means to become less. Synonyms are diminish and reduce. Basic sentence, the company decreased its expenses. Advanced, the company diminished unnecessary costs. More advanced, the country reduced its spending to improve profit. Word number 4, define, means to explain the meaning of something. Synonyms are clarify and specify. Basic sentence is the teacher defined the topic. Advanced, the teacher clarified the topic with examples. More advanced, the teacher specified the key points of the lesson. Word number 5, delay, means to make something happen later. Alternatives are postpone and defer. Basic, they delayed the meeting. Advanced, they postponed the meeting until next week. More advanced, they deferred the decision to a later date. Word number 6, deny, means to refuse or say something isn't true. Reject and refute are the alternatives. Basic, he denied the accusations. Advanced, he rejected the false claims against him. More advanced, he refuted the accusation with strong evidence. Word number 7, describe, means to explain how something looks or happens. Alternatives are depict and portray. Basic sentence will include, she described the beautiful scenery. Advanced, she depicted the breathtaking mountains in her book. More advanced, she portrayed the village life in vivid detail. Word number 8, destroy, means to completely ruin something. Synonyms are annihilate and ruin. Basic, the fire destroyed the building. Advanced, the fire annihilated the entire structure. More advanced, the explosion ruined everything in its path. Word number 9, develop, means to improve or grow something. Synonyms are enhance and refine. Basic sentence is, he developed his skills in writing. Advanced, he enhanced his skill in writing. More advanced, he refined his technique to write professionally. Word number 10, discover, means to find something new. Alternatives are detect and unearth. Basic sentence is, scientists discovered a new planet. Advanced, scientists detected signs of life on a distant planet. More advanced, archaeologists unearthed ancient ruins and the deserts. So that's another 10 powerful verbs added to your vocabulary. The more you replace basic words with advanced synonyms, the more fluent and sophisticated you'll sound in English. We still have 70 more words to go, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amuse Academia for the next episodes. By the way, which advanced verb was new for you? Drop in the comments below. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.